I'm going to be showing you how to log out of Cars.com account. So it's really easy, so let's get right into it. So the first thing you need to do is open any of the browser that you have where you can access Cars.com. I'm going to be using Safari, but it's completely up to you what you choose. Just go ahead on tap there, and after you're here, make sure you're on Cars.com like this, and once you do so, you'll see something like this. So after you're here, now what you need to do is look at the top right where you can see this option right here. That's this profile like option. So just go ahead on tap here, and once you do, you'll have all sorts of options. You can see all saved cars, all of your saved searches, your garage messages, and many more. And right there at the bottom you have sign out. Since you're trying to log out or sign out of Cars.com, this is what we need. Just go ahead on tap here and you're good to go. And this way you can successfully log out of Cars.com account. I hope this video was helpful for you. Please leave us a like and drop us a comment down below, and we'll see you again in our next video. Thank you for watching.